Pub. A building where people go to drink and meet their friends. Pubs serve alcoholic and other drinks, and often also food. For example, we're all going to the pub after work.
Quotation.
Quotation. A group of words or a short piece of writing taken from a book, play, speech, etc. and repeated because it is interesting or useful. For example, a dictionary of quotations.
Quote.
Quote. A group of words or a short piece of writing taken from a book, play, speech, etc. and repeated because it is interesting or useful. For example, the essay was full of quotes.
Quote.
Quote. A group of words or a short piece of writing taken from a book, play, speech, etc. and repeated because it is interesting or useful. For example, the essay was full of quotes.
Racism. The unfair treatment of people who belong to a different race, violent behavior towards them. For example, a victim of racism. Racist. Having the belief that some races of people are better than others or having general beliefs about other people based only on their race, showing this through violent or unfair treatment of people of other races. For example, racist attitudes remarks.
Rapidly.
Rapidly. Very quickly, at a great rate. For example, to increase spread expand rapidly.
Raw. Not cooked. For example, raw meat. Ray. A narrow line of light, heat or other energy. For example, the last of the sun's rays shone on the grass.
Recipe.
Recipe. A set of instructions that tells you how to cook something and the ingredients, equals items of food you need for it. For example, recipe for something.
Recycle.
Recycle. To treat things that have already been used so that they can be used again. For example, to recycle waste rubbish.
Reduce.
Reduce. To make something less or smaller in size, quantity, price, etc. To become less or smaller in size, quantity, etc. For example, reduce something.